And hello again, Peacock. You guys see him back there? Hi, Peacock. Hey guys, this is Dan again. As you can see, the weather here in Southern California is a little bit better today. I've got both my cars out today, the BMW and the Corvette behind me. So today I'm going to talk a little bit about this product that I'm using, or I've been using on the Corvette itself. I believe the last video that I put up, I had put on the JWM / Extreme Online splitter, stage 2 splitter with the stage 3 inlets. The original splitter I had purchased and painted originally because I didn't know for sure whether or not if I was going to paint it or if I was going to just wrap it. The first version of this, I put on a carbon fiber wrap. So you can probably see on my previous video, which I put a link down below. You can probably see in the video that it has a pretty poorly executed wrap job. And at the end of the day, I was not that happy with the carbon fiber wrap. So today, this is hello Peacock, how you doing? I've repainted and taken off the wrap of the previous video and actually painted it using TouchupDirect Direct's carbon flash rattle cane paint system. It's a kit that basically comes with a primer, the base color, and a clear coat. This is the base primer that came with the package. It has a pretty well-defined set of instructions for how to use this particular kit. This is the carbon flash touch-up paint in a spray bottle. It also has a decent set of instructions. I suggest following it to a T. And finally, this is the clear coat. The clear coat is probably the hardest to apply. It does require some mild polishing as well as compounding to get a mirror-like finish. And as you can see from the video, there's a slight difference in color from JWM and Extreme Online's Stage 3 end plate to the carbon flash paint that came from Touchup Direct. However, the difference isn't as dramatic as what this video is showing. You can see there's also some defects in orange peel that I was not able to completely polish out. But on second look, if you compare the factory carbon flash finish on the side skirt, which came with the car, it's actually pretty close. The Touchup Direct's carbon flash finish is actually closer to the factory carbon flash finish than what came on the Stage 3 end plate that came from JWM and Extreme Online. This is the same Touchup Direct paint in Interlagos blue to match my MZ4 Coupe. And as you can see, the actual match is dead on, balls accurate. It's pretty good. I would say maybe it's a 99.5% match, almost as good as factory finish, to be honest. So in summary, the carbon flash from Touchup Direct is actually a fairly accurate representation of GM's carbon flash color. Maybe it's about 90% accurate, whereas opposed to their Interlagos blue for the BMW is a 100%, almost 100% accurate color. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video and ignore the Peacock. Hopefully this will allow you guys to make a decision as to whether or not you want to try a touch-up spray for your vehicle. I personally think it's a pretty good deal. It's a decent match. At least on certain colors, it's a match good enough to be equal to that of a factory paint job. On some certain colors where the metallic flake may be bigger or more complicated, like a tri-coat, it may be a problem. So you may want to try and buy like a sample kit and do a quick spray or just maybe a dab to see if it actually does match before you commit to the full job. Meanwhile, on the carbon flash color, it did an okay enough job for me. I think I'm gonna go and live with it. I don't think I'm gonna rewrap it. For me, it's more just I put on the Stage 3 for track use, and hopefully this will I'll be able to post a video in the near future, maybe in a few weeks, of me driving this car on track and give you a better assessment compared to my prior lap times. So hope you guys enjoy. If you like this video, let me know in the comments. Maybe I'll do some more in the future. And enjoy and have a good day.